It is surrounded by the crimson cloud. It is lightened by morning sunshine. It is the charming red stone park, Danxia Shan. The Red Stone Park, Danxia Shan, locates in the northeast suburb of Shaoguan City in Guangdong Province. The total area of the park is 290 square kilometers, with a densely distributed Danxia Landform of 180 square kilometers. The main peak, Ba Zhai, is 619 meters tall. Danxia Shan has been successively named by the State Department as National Scenic Region and National Natural Protection Zone. The park was listed among the first global geoparks in 2004 and the World Heritage in 2010 by the UNESCO. Danxia Shan consists of red sub-horizontal classic stratification. It was formed by the erosion of water as well as gravity, characterized as red walls and red cliffs. Ancient people named this mountain Danxia according to its unique red color. The landform in Danxia Shan is one of the most beautiful geological wonders. As early as 80 years ago, a new type of landform was named here by geologists, Danxia Landform. After that, more than 200 experts in the fields of geology, geography, biology, hydrology, environment, history, culture, and tourism have conducted research here and published over 380 papers. Numerous maps of various scales have been produced, making Danxia Shan the global research center for Danxia Landform. "140 to 65 million years ago, this region was a basin surrounded by hills. Floods and rivers brought down silt and gravels on the surrounding hills to this basin, where they were gradually deposited. With hot conditions, oxidation turned the sediments to red and created a set of sedimentary stratum of sandstone and gravels. These are called red beds in geology. After the formation of red beds, land in this region was uplifted, followed by water undercutting these red beds and hills to form the present red walls and red cliffs. In terms of landform development, Danxia Shan is at its mature stage and it therefore becomes a typical representation of Danxia Landform. As the naming site of Danxia Landform, Danxia Shan covers nearly all types of Danxia Landform appeared in humid region. It is the standard region for the comparative study of Danxia Landform in China. Scientifically more is the outcrops of its beddings of different geological ages from Sinian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Neozoic periods exposed systematically from the outskirt of the basin towards the center. This makes Danxia Shan a unique record of cross-evolution. The stratum of Danxia Formation, which forms the Danxia Landform, is the representation of Cretaceous sedimentary rock layers. The continuous deposition of sediments during the Cretaceous D and Paleogene periods in the East Basin had formed the famous KT stratum Ethan, and they have substantial geoscientific value to the research of dinosaur extinction, life and mammal evolution, and stratigraphic correlation of regional strata. Danxia serves as an ideal research region for the evolution of modern Danxia landform and biology because of the highly isolated hills and the mesa of the Danxia landform. The bio-island effect is prominent, producing complex differentiations to the vegetation and biosystem. Therefore, it is also the ideal place to study the vegetation chart in Danxia landform. Danxia Shan locates in the humid monsoon climate zone, which lies in between the central subtropical and south subtropical climate zones. Evergreen broadleaf forest with many tropical elements thrives here. Because of its complicated geomorphologic features and the bio-island effect, this region contains numerous endangered species and becomes a gene bank. Endemic plains, new species such as Danxia viola, Danxia orchid, Danxia fermiana, and Danxia chiritopsis are of great ecological value and making Danxia so impressive. Danxia Shan covers the largest Danxia landform in the low latitude of the Earth and has typically a scenic landform with outstanding natural aesthetic value. It has high rising peaks, red cliffs, interweaving caves, and tranquil canyons nearly everywhere in the park. Shaoguan, Guangdong, Yangyuan, Tianzhu and Longlingyan have gained everyone's admiration. Jinjiang River, Zhanjiang River, and many other streams like green ribbons winding through the mountains and hills, producing stunning pictures. Witnessing Mother Nature makes Danxia Shan a magnificent, precipitous, wonderful, graceful, and peaceful place.